Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to tell you how to download code blocks for learning C or C++ language. So for that you need to go to Google and type in code blocks for Windows 11. And over there you can see the link download code blocks. Go here and that click download the binary release. If you have Windows, go to this link. If you have Linux, go here. And if you have Mac, go here. Since I have Windows, I would go here. Depending on your computer's configuration, download any one of these. I would prefer you to download this. Go to sourceforge.net and your download will start in 5 seconds. As you can see over here, the download has automatically started. So yeah, this is the way to download code blocks.